know you?
We're pretty close, actually.
Because you're...
I love you.
I love you 3,000. I'm not even tripping for it. Everything's gonna work out exactly the way it's supposed to. I love you 3,000.